Hi everyone! Today I'm showing you how to make a super comforting Vietnamese dessert, sweet banana with small tapioca pearls. It's sweet, creamy, and has a lovely coconut aroma. It might look simple, but to make it truly delicious, not bitter, not gritty, it all starts with picking the right bananas. I'll also walk you through a special coconut cream sauce that takes this dish to the next level. Let's get cooking. Peel the bananas and slice them into rounds about 1.5 to 2.5 centimeters thick. You want bananas that are fully ripe, soft, naturally sweet, and fragrant. I always recommend tasting them before cooking. If the banana is sweet and flavorful, it'll be perfect in the dessert. If not, it might turn bitter. Toss the banana slices with golden sugar and a pinch of salt. Let them marinate for 20 to 30 minutes to soak up the sweetness. Rinse the small tapioca pearls, then soak them in water for 30 to 60 minutes. Drain and boil them in plenty of water over medium heat for about 15 minutes. Stir occasionally so they don't stick to the bottom. Once they turn translucent, they're done. Scoop them out and soak them in cold water so they stay chewy and don't clump together. In a pot, combine water, palm sugar, pandan leaves, and a pinch of salt. Heat over medium-low and stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. If you prefer a lighter color, you can use golden or white sugar instead. Once the sugar is melted, remove the pandan leaves. Add in the marinated bananas. Lower the heat and let them simmer gently for about 10 minutes so they soften and absorb the sweetness. Don't forget to skim off the foam for a clearer soup. Next, add in the cooked tapioca pearls and stir gently. Taste and adjust the sweetness if needed. Mix tapioca starch with water and pour it in to thicken the dessert. You can add more or less depending on how thick you like it. Keep in mind it will get thicker as it cools. Cook for another minute. Add a few drops of vanilla or banana extract if you'd like. Stir well and turn off the heat. In another pot, add water, pandan leaves, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Heat over low heat until the sugar is fully dissolved. Meanwhile, mix the non-dairy creamer powder with milk, coconut cream, and non-dairy creamer. Stir until smooth. Pour this mixture into the pot once the water is gently boiling. Keep the heat low and stir constantly so everything blends nicely and doesn't separate. Skim off any foam. If you want a slightly thicker sauce, mix tapioca starch with water and add it in. Cook for another minute, stir in a few drops of vanilla, and turn off the heat. Let it cool and then chill in the fridge. This coconut cream can also be used for other Vietnamese desserts like sweet potato soup or jelly pudding. Super versatile. Once everything's cooled down, scoop the banana and tapioca into serving glasses or bowls. Drizzle coconut cream over the top and sprinkle on your favorite toppings: sesame seeds, shredded coconut, crushed peanuts, or toasted coconut flakes. Add some crushed ice if you prefer it cold. This dessert is best when the bananas are soft and sweet, the tapioca is chewy, and everything is coated in that rich, fragrant coconut cream. I really hope you give this recipe a try and love it as much as I do. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.